subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung is reportedly gearing up to launch the successor of Galaxy A71 smartphone as Galaxy A72 in both 4G and 5G versions. And before the launch, the German tech site WinFuture has revealed the renders of upcoming Galaxy A72 4G smartphone with some key specifications. According to WinFuture, the Galaxy A72 4G will support a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with up to 90Hz refresh rate and 20:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone will come powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G chipset paired with 6 or 8GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of internal storage that will be expandable via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Galaxy A72 4G will feature a quad camera setup on the rear in a rectangular module at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The quad rear cameras will include one 64MP main camera along with the 8MP secondary plus 12MP ultra wide angle lens and 2MP macro lens. For selfies, it will have an 32MP camera under the hole punch at the top center. On the software front, the handset will run on Android 11 and it will pack with 5000 mAh battery that will support fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone will also feature an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication and it will be IP67 certified for dust and water resistance. Now talking about the pricing, the Galaxy A72 4G is expected to price for the base variant at €449 and it is suggested to come in black, blue, lavender and white color options. So as of now, that's all we know about the Galaxy A72 4G smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.